So now just repeat to me exactly what you just said to me about this arrest.
Yep. So, for all of Lionel's viewers online, I'm trying to serve court documents on Lionel, which he's refused.
And I never refused. You're just saying that I've refused it. That's your own opinion.
Well, it's all on my camera too, man.
That's okay,
so...
but I didn't refuse it.
What I said to you is, if you're not willing to accept the paper documents that I'm going to give you, that you can be arrested in relation to these matters.
Okay.
Okay? That's all I said to you. Now, I don't want it to come to that. I just want to give you the documents to appear before court, and then I'll be out of your hair.
So when's this court date supposed to be?
It's going to be in December.
So I'll be going up and I'll be fighting your judge too with common law.
Okay, no worries.
Because this is intimidation. This is intimidation.
We can call it what you want, Lionel.
I am. I'm telling you what it is.
Okay.
Because as soon as anything happens with a black fella, you're there straight away. You see this bullshit that's going on with my son? If that was a white kid, all the stuff would have got dealt with straight away, and you all know it. Don't try and make out that it wouldn't have either, because if he was a white kid, this would have all got dealt with.
Lionel, the incident that I'm wanting to talk to you about happened on the 20th of October. That's almost 3 weeks ago. Going on 4 weeks
20th
ago.
of October with who?
At the state school.
No, that was on the 18th of October. Go and check the video. You've got the dates wrong already.
You reckon?
Yep. I know exactly when it finished. Because that notice from the school finishes in 4 days. That's not held on me forever. That's only 1 month. It's already been a month.
Okay.
And so what are these notices to appear for?
That's what I'm trying to explain to you, man. All right, I'm not trying to be hard on you or anything. I'm just trying to explain these documents to you.
You just don't even know what hard is, mate. Honestly.
All right. So, the first one that I'm going to show you is in relation to willful disturbance.
Leisha, come and hold this, please.
So these are your details at the top. These are the offence times and date, that at approximately 10 a.m. on the 20th of October 2022 at Charters Tower Central State School, the offence of willful disturbance under the Education General Provisions Act of 2006. All right, so that's that one there.
So now you listen to this now. This here, bullshit.
Yep.
When can I have papers served to Deborah and Sharon for yelling down my son's throat? That's child abuse. That's child neglect. So how can I have that done now in reverse?
Everyone is entitled to attend the police station and make a complaint.
I'm making one right now to you.
Okay.
To your face, I'm making one. So
okay.
how
well, if you would like to make a complaint, then let me finish doing what I've come here today to do, and then I'm happy to hear what you've got to say.
Let's go ahead.
All right. So the second one, details are the same. At approximately 5 p.m. on the 24th of the 10th, in Charters Towers, the offence of used carriage service to menace, harass, or cause offence. Okay,
5
and
o'clock.
That's in relation
5 o'clock,
to...
that's wrong. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock in the afternoon.
That's in relation to some videos that were posted to YouTube.
5 o'clock in the afternoon. The incident happened 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Are you for real?
So I'm going to give that one to you there.
So that's wrong. That's wrong. They got the information wrong on that. What's this one?
So this is called an identifying particulars notice. So because this second offence that I just told you about is a certain type of offence, you are required to report to a police officer at the stated police station, being Charters Towers Police Station, between Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. within 7 days of the issue of this notice, to provide your identifying particulars. That's fingerprints and photographs. So you're required to stay at the stated police station or establishment for the time reasonably necessary to enable your identifying particulars to be taken and photographed.
Okay, I'll have a solicitor there for that.
Yep, no worries. So it is an offence to fail to comply with this notice. So if you don't attend within 7 days, you'll be committing a further offence. All right. Do you have any questions about that?
No, that don't make sense either. So.
All right. Well, I'm going to give you your copy of this one.
Yep.
So for the two offences that I just told you about, you're required to attend the Magistrates Court in Charters Towers, which is on Hodgkinson Street on the 5th of December 2022.
Which I'll be pleading not guilty to.
Yep, no worries.
So I'm pleading not guilty to all this anyway, so it doesn't matter, but...
Yep, no worries. I'm just letting you know that you do have to go. Otherwise,
that's all right.
A warrant may be issued.
I will be there to plead not guilty. I'll be there to stand my ground, but...
Yep, and that's your right to do. I don't...
No worries. Now let's get on to this other thing.
Okay, so you before I do that, you understand the provision, like you've got to
Yep,
attend.
I know all the steps for
Yep.
this.
So when do you have to come to the Charters Towers police station?
Within 7 days, bud.
Within 7 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we move on to this next thing now?
So what is it that you want to report?
I want to report child neglect on my son from Sharon Mackey.
Yep.
Also from Deborah Ansell.
Yep.
That shouldn't have been verbally yelling down my son's throat.
Yep.
What else is that? You've got child abuse, you've got child neglect. There's a lot more other things that could go under, but child abuse is one main thing, and child neglect. They shouldn't have been yelling down my son's throat, so I would like charges pressed against them for that as well.
Okay. So have you, like until now, have you reported any of what occurred to us, to the police?
No, because you've been here for the school.
Yes.
That's all you have been here
Because
for. It's been here for the school and nothing but the school.
Lionel, because the only person telling us their side of the story was the school.
You're just supposed to be here to protect and serve the community. That means both sides of the situation.
I agree. Yes, I agree.
No, I don't agree, because you haven't been here for us.
Because you haven't wanted to report anything.
Doesn't matter, doesn't matter.
It does matter.
You were called there, wasn't you?
Yeah, we were.
You never came back here to ask or check on us to see if we was all right, to check on my son to see if my son was all right.
Mate, there's a YouTube video of police coming back here to talk to you about what happened.
Yeah, that was concerns on the officer's wife.
But
that had no concerns about my son. It had no concerns about my son. Only because he was being recorded, bud. Only because he was being recorded.
What I'm saying is that you had an opportunity to raise your concerns then.
No, because I'm getting stuff together, mate. At the moment, there's a calm before the storm.
Okay.
I've got people all around the country that are helping me with this.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
And that's your right. I'm not.
Yeah,
taking
I know
that away
it's my
from
right.
you.
I know it's my right.
Okay.
Doesn't matter what you say. There's nothing that you can say that doesn't give me my right to do anything.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't have to repeat it to me. I know what I'm saying is right.
Okay, I'm just repeating it so that you know that I'm hearing what you're saying.
Yeah, right.
Yep.
Okay, so now that we're both on the same track, I'd like to have charges pressed against them too.
Okay, so what you'll need to do, because I'm just a general
here we
duty...
go. So now I've got to come all the way up there to you guys.
Yeah, that's what's required of you, man.
What's the same here? Look, it's all on camera. What's the difference?
No.
Because to make a complaint, we need something from you, which is you need to provide statements. Your children will need to be interviewed in relation to what you're alleging has occurred.
How are you going to interview a non-verbal kid?
I don't know, man. But
exactly,
other witnesses are going to have to be spoken to. It's not something that we can just do over the fence.
Well,
I'm trying to take you seriously.
No, you're not, man. Because if he was, like I said, if he was a white kid, this would have got dealt with on the day, man. It would have got dealt with on the day.
I'm not here to discuss that.
I know that, but I can see it in your eyes, man, that you know that I'm telling the truth.
Lionel, I'm trying to give you a way that you can go forward with this, but you're not.
None of you have given me any way to go forward with this.
I'm trying to give you one now, and you're not interested in listening to what I'm saying. All right, I'm a general duties police officer. I don't specialise in that
it's all right. I'm
going to
do things my way, but it's okay.
If you want to come down to the police station and talk to our Child Protection Investigation Unit...
Nah, you all work together, man. You all work together. CPS, everything, all works together with the government.
I'm just trying to give you an opportunity.
Yeah, I know that. But I'm also
down.
watching my ass as well.
What do you mean?
I'm not getting mixed up with you fellas, man. Don't be silly. I've never come down the last shower.
Well, I'm just a bit confused because now one minute you want to make
a
complaint,
but I'm not getting mixed up.
You don't want to get mixed
I know.
up
I understand where you're coming from, but no,
okay.
It's all right.
Well, do you have any questions for us or for your YouTube community before we leave?
Well, why is it taking you fellas this long? It's been a month. Why is it taking you this long to come around now, bud?
Yep. Obviously, operational capacity that we have.
Operational capacity.
Takes a bit of time to get things
together.
Carry on
like this is a big city, man. You carry on like this is a big place.
Lionel, you're not the only person I have to deal with.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Is this the first time I've seen you?
This is no bigger than Cloncurry, man. Honestly.
I don't know. I've never been.
Yeah, well, I'm telling you, it's no bigger than Cloncurry. And you carry on like this is a city. This is nothing, bud.
Okay, so no further questions?
No further questions.
All right, thanks for your time, Lionel.
Yeah, whatever.